welcome to Eva's Adventure. My name is Eva, and today we're gonna wash my hair with my mom.
This is the Argan oil of Morocco organic shampoo. This is the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine conditioner. This is the Shea Moisture Kids Extra Moisture Detangler. This stuff is super moisturizing. It is my go-to for refreshing Eva's hair when it gets a little bit dry.
And this one, it makes your hair get warm as soil or whatever. But
This is Castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and this is really good for moisture and for sealing in hair as well, and it also helps with growth retention.
And we have a comb what Nini gave to us, and even we have some hair clippers. That one's almost like alligator teeth.
Like alligator teeth?
One is a white one, and there's a black one what I already showed you.
Okay, so let's get
started! One time there was a scary ghost, and he was like a young man, but he was a ghost, and it was so scary. Don't look at my arms!
Let's go.
First of all, I am soaking. My face is soaking wet, people, and everybody don't panic.
Are going to be blow drying Eva's hair today using a wider tooth comb than the one you see attached to the blow dryer. This is because Eva is getting her hair braided with canker-line hair. When I braid her hair with her natural hair, I do not blow dry it. I actually let it air dry and then I braid it up. I find though that when we use the braiding hair, it is just a little bit easier to manage and also that the braids last a lot longer for us.